while. I know, it's crazy. Life has just been really crazy. I'm just ready to get back into the groove of things. I did a easy fall makeup look that you can wear every single day.
New video. I don't even think I brushed it today. No joke. Yep, I did it. It's tangled. Okay.
I'm just so excited to be back in my element. I don't know, it feels good. I don't know. But yeah, if you guys are interested in getting this easy fall makeup look, super easy and it goes with everything, then yeah, just keep on watching. I've been kind of going back and forth with foundations. I've been using the NARS and then the Smashbox Studio Skin. The Smashbox Studio Skin is like a little too white on me, I feel like, so I don't think I'll be using that one. But the NARS in Fiji I really do like. I also was using Fenty Beauty, so I kind of just like go back and forth. Fenty Beauty I think was a little too light for me, so I think I need to go and like get a different shade, like a little darker. But this one I feel like matches me the best at this time. I'm gonna put that on, blend it out, because everyone knows how to blend out concealer, and then we'll go right into the eyes. I was gonna come back with like a full like face so that way we could just jump right into the eyes, but I really wanted to show the BECCA Hydra Mist powder, whatever this is called. So we're just gonna try it out. I did try it once already. I think I tried it like 2 days ago, and it says keep me close to keep me cool. So it's like a cooling powder. It's like the coolest thing ever. As soon as you place it onto the skin, it gives like this cooling wet feeling. It's the weirdest, coolest thing ever. You can see how it really just sets your face. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm just gonna really lightly just blend that into the crease with just a really light hand. I'm gonna take VIP and I'm gonna apply that right underneath that brow bone because I do really like VIP. It's so pretty. Into the like lightness of the face. I don't know. I'm just gonna add a rush into the crease also. Basically just mixing like all these really beautiful brown shades because these brown shades are gorgeous. And then taking a mugshot and I'm just gonna add that just to the outer. Just slowly work that into the crease also. And last color, Alert. And I'm taking Alert. So I'm just taking all these like brown shades and just lightly adding them to the crease. Just kind of making it really look really warm. So yeah, we're just gonna take Boom, and I'm just gonna use my finger for this. And I'm really just gonna go in there. Mascara that I've been using and like really loving is of course the BECCA Bang Mascara. I have raved about this for like literally all year. I love it. And then I also just combined the Climax by NARS mascara. So good. Both of these together is like this one I'm already out of and I need a new one. And I did buy one, but when I pulled out the wand, the whole like the bristle part was gone, so that sucked. So yeah, here we are. But I just need to fix up my eyebrows just a tad. I just like to kind of like comb them out. And I'm just applying I think this is Maybelline. Yeah, just the Great Lash Clear Gel. So now for the exciting part. I'm just going to go in with the Dose of Colors. This is in my main. It just looks like such a beautiful color. Let's see how this baby looks I already applied LA Ultimate Lip Intense Lip Crayon onto my lips. I glided on like literally butter. I'm just living for this eye. It's just so simple. Out of the Ring the Alarm palette, I used Boom, I think it is. Yeah, Boom. And it's just like the perfect rusty, warm, I don't know, color. And then the lip, it just all came together. And this is what I was really envisioning for my first fall makeup look. For today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday fall makeup look, whatever you want to call it. I just think it's so beautiful going into fall, and you can wear it with anything literally and it will go with anything, and it's just so not more mallow than more, you know, hype. Yeah, don't forget to do all like the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, notification bell. Oh, I feel like a real YouTuber and I don't even have any subscribers. See you guys in my next video.